everyone, it's Michelle and welcome back to another Wake and Bake. Currently, I'm in self-quarantine mode with the rest of Los Angeles, and I'm stocked up on toilet paper. Luckily for me, I was able to do a Costco run right before any of this went down, so the timing just worked out for me. Hopefully you guys are stocked up on toilet paper too. And I thought, with all this hoarding of toilet paper going around, why not make a toilet paper cake? So today I'll be making a chocolate cake that looks like toilet paper. I hope you guys all have enough toilet paper stocked for the rest of the quarantine. And if not, please stay safe out there when going to get your groceries and your toilet paper. And let's get started on this toilet paper cake.
We're gonna start with our chocolate box mix. It's perfect, especially while we're self-isolating right now. And you might not have tons of ingredients to make a cake from scratch. I personally love the taste of box mix with homemade buttercream. You'll just need 1 1/4 cups of water, a half a cup of oil, and 3 eggs. And we'll combine all of these ingredients until the mix is fully incorporated. And then I'll pour them into 2 5-inch pans. They'll go into the oven at 350 degrees for 35 minutes. To make the buttercream, we'll start off with 1 cup of room temperature butter. Once that's nice and smooth, we'll add in our 2 cups of powdered sugar. We'll also mix in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we're ready to go with our finished buttercream. To start putting together our cake, I'll add a little bit of buttercream to the cake board to act like glue. And then we'll start decorating the very first layer. Since I wanted it to be extra chocolatey, I decided to add some chocolate chips into the middle. I popped on the second layer. And don't worry if it makes a little bit of a mess. We'll go ahead and clean all of that up later since this is just called the crumb coat. Once we evenly coat the cake so all the crumbs are locked in, we'll go ahead and scrape off all the excess. Then I'll measure the height of the cake to make sure the fondant fits on later. And I'll put it into the fridge for 15 minutes to chill. Next, I'll put some cornstarch onto some parchment paper so we can start working on our fondant. And this will be the top part of our toilet paper cake. I'm going to roll it out so it looks like a really skinny snake, and we're going to wind that up to make the very top of the cake. I'm going to use a 5-inch metal plate, which is the same width as the cake itself, and then I'm going to apply a little bit of water and start winding it up into a circle. You can keep adding water as you go, which acts like glue. Once that's done, we'll set it aside to dry. And then we'll work on the fondant that will cover the sides of the cake. So I'm going to roll this completely out until it is about 5 inches, which is the height of the cake. And I want to add another piece, so it completely covers the circumference of the cake. And the last piece of fondant will be the little excess toilet paper that will hang off the edge. The last piece is going to be for the little toilet paper roll on top, which we're going to use with brown fondant. Finally, we'll take the cake out of the fridge and start adding a little bit of water, which is going to act like glue to assemble our cake. So we'll go ahead and start putting on the fondant along the sides. And then I'll cut off all the excess with a small knife. And now that our top is dried, we'll go ahead and place that right on. We'll also add the illusion of our little toilet paper roll. Finally, we'll add our extra little sheet that will hang off the side of the cake. And for a final touch, I'll add some dotted lines to act like the sheets of the toilet paper. And there is our finished toilet paper cake.
There you have it, my chocolate with vanilla buttercream filled with chocolate chips cake, decorated like a little toilet paper roll. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I just wanted to make something fun amidst all that's happening in the world. So hopefully a little bit of toilet paper cake can bring you joy. Thanks guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.